I'm here at the 2018 Toy Fair on the hunt for what the next big toy trend is. Does it have to do with technology? Or possibly, is it something else? What do you think? I don't know, let's find out.
Toy Fair is a huge event filled with cool new inventions and previews of what is coming for the holidays. Technology always gives toys new magic. Or in the case of Harry Potter, the magic gets new tech. Harry Potter's wizard training wands have motion sensors to teach you how to cast spells. And you can battle friends with wizard laser tag. LED lights on the wand's handle indicate different modes and spells. Each wand is about $25. Toy drones have a bit of magic too. Airhog Supernova is completely controlled using your hands. Swipe your hand near one of its 5 sensors to perform tricks and have yourself a drone dance party. It costs $40, a small price to pay for being the envy of all your friends.
That is cool.
They also have these extreme airboarder dudes that can do tricks, but it may take some practice.
That was very extreme.
When I wasn't destroying booths, I met many robot pets ready to learn a few tricks.
Bridget!
Some, like Zoomer the playful pup, can actually understand your voice commands.
Who's a good boy? Oh, yes you are. Oh, yes you are. Roll over. Oh, and you can give him a belly rub. Oh, look at him, he's so cute.
For $100, you can have a pouncing puppy without the need for potty training, but not all robot pets are housebroken.
All right, so the robot toy pets now also poop. This is from Spin Master. It's called Hungry Bunnies.
The $30 critters have a bunch of touch sensors, but when it's feeding time, they munch up paper snacks and leave their digested gems behind.
Look at what you did. Look at what you did on the carpet.
Exploring Toy Fair can be a little silly. Sometimes you don't know what will pop out at you or what's gonna pop up at you.
I'm sorry, I just have to take a second and point out this curious game, Flush and Frenzy. You have to stick the poop in, close the lid, and push the plunger till the poop pops out. And catch it. Why am I catching poop?
Just when you see something brainless, behold, there is hope for humanity with a Smart Kid toy. There are plenty of ways robots can teach kids programming skills.
I'm at Mattel's booth in front of Kamigami Robots, and these are robotic dinosaurs. I'm here with Mattel's Chief Technology Officer, Sven Gurgitz. Can you tell us a little bit about these?
Absolutely, would love to. These are great examples of a product that can make technology more accessible and compelling to kids with lots of interests. So kids may want to play with these because they want to build something, they may want to learn how to program something physical, or frankly, they just may be into dinosaurs like most of us, right?
I'd have to agree.
Not all robot pets are complicated. Some are pretty cheap.
Do you remember this little guy? Fingerlings, the hottest toy of the holidays last year? Oh yeah, he's back in bigger plush form. This is Fingerlings Hugs.
For $30, the sensor-stuffed monkey blinks and shrieks and gives plenty of kisses.
Oh, mwah to you too.
Pomsies is another wearable fuzzy bot. Eye colors indicate if it's happy, hungry, or has the hiccups. Shake it up, throw a dance party, or whatever kids do with a fuzzy, cooing creature. It's just $15. As I was leaving the Pomsy party, something not so cute caught my eye. Could it be another poop thing?
How much research goes into making poop?
A lot of research. This was, we went in the backyard, our CEO went in the backyard, found the poo of his dog, chose the best one he brought it into the office, and the designers molded it. It didn't work the first time, it didn't look as good, so we went back a couple different rounds to get the exact perfect poo.
You heard it here first. This is the exact perfect poo.
And the more I ran around the show floor, going from booth to booth, the more I saw.
Peekaboo. Think I'm stumbling on a real stinker of a trend here. What is this? What is this? What did I just stick my hand into? Just get back in there.
What is happening at Toy Fair? You can't help but step in it at every booth.
It's poop again. There's poop checkers, bag of poop, poop pens, poop mugs. I blame Apple's Animoji poop for all this.
Thank you, Apple. Your advanced technology has changed the world by making cartoon poop the coolest thing for kids. But not everything about Toy Fair has gone down the toilet.
This is Boxer, and he's packed with personality and tricks. Woo!
Boxer is an $80 robot that follows your hand using IR sensors. It can kick a ball or play a number of games.
A back kick. Retro seems to be back again. Look, they made My Little Pony, like the classic My Little Pony I had when I was growing up. They also redid Lite-Brite. I mean, all the pegs and the lights here. And oh, my favorite, koosh balls. Smells the same.
Retro video games are also big and small. This working tiny arcade starts at $20. But if you're looking for something more substantial,
I am ready. All right.
later this year, Arcade 1UP is going to sell these arcade cabinets that you build yourself at home. They cost $400 and come with a few classic titles, like Street Fighter.
No! I'm so close. This is still my favorite kind of tech toy. Let us know what your favorite toys are in the comments. I'm Bridget Carey, and for more on Toy Fair, head to cnet.com. Time for another round. Why? Why am I sitting in poop? Why?